Good morning class. Today we'll discuss very interesting topic, derivative of the function in parametric form. This topic is very important. First thing means parametric form. What is the parametric form? Sometimes the relation between two variables is neither explicit or nor implicit. But these two variables are linked by the third variables. These two variables are directly not linked but linked by the third variable. Then name of this third variable is called parameter. Now discuss here first implicit function, explicit function and parametric functions. Discuss here first implicit function. Explicit function. Explicit function. Suppose you are writing here y equal x square plus 3. Means y is, you can write a separate, means isolate form. Y is isolated, y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. And implicit function means xy plus sin y equal 4. In this type function, all in this type function is called the implicit function, or all in this type function is called the explicit function. What difference between both function here? Here y is isolate, here y cannot isolate here. Here y is linked, here y is sin theta, sin y. So y is you cannot isolate here. In this type function is called the implicit function. And parametric function, suppose you write here y equal a sin t and x equal a cos t. Look here, sin and cos is not different here. Means y directly, and then find here. What find here? Dy over dx. Means x and y having the relation, but directly in the function is not relation. This here find your relation between differentiate of the y with respect of the x. But here x and y directly is not relation. Here relation y related to t, x also related to t. That means x and y directly is not relation, but t is the third variable, both having in both variables, having the relation in the both variables x and y. Means t is the relation having x and y. The t is the third variable and name of this third variable is parametric variable. The third variable name of this parametric is name of this variable is parametric. How to solve this value here? Suppose you find dy over dx. The first you will find dy over dt here and dx over dt here. Then you will find here dy over dx means dy over dt and dx over dt. You will putting the value here dy over dt here and putting the value here dx over dt. Then you can find here value of the dy over dx. So then t is the third variable, means parametric. This is the parameter. T is the parameter here. The relation to make the relation x and y. This is a parametric form. The name of this form is called the parametric form. Yes, note down it. Then start the exercise. Here student, I am taking the next first question here. Exercise 5.6. X equal to 2at square and y equal 8t exponent 4. Find dy over dx. Are here x and y are relation parametrically. X and y having the relation parametrically. So then you can find your value of the dy over dx. So now start the solution here. First we will write here x equal to 80 square. Now differentiate with respect to t. Don't write here x. Differentiate of x with respect of the t. Dx over dt. Dx over dt equal d over dt 2a t square. What will be here? 2a and t square also the 2t. That means 4a t. This is the value of dx over dt. And next function here, y equal a t exponent 4. Same, differentiate with respect to t. So dy over dt. Then you can find here d over dt a t exponent 4. We have 4a t exponent 3. So this is dy over dt. Means first I am taking this function, differentiate with respect of the t, and find the value of this dx over dt 4a t. Where identity is the same, identity will not change here. And taking second function here, differentiate with respect to t, dy over dt find, and value of this. So these two values I am using here. Now dy over dx equal dy over dt upon dx over dt. Then putting the value here, 4 dy over dt 4a t exponent 3 upon 4a t. What value here left? 4a cancel here, t power not power complete here cancel, the t square. So this is your answer. Dy over value of the dy over dx equal to t square. Only one power will be direct here. So then left here and last t square. This is your answer. Very simple thing here to find of the parametric form. Yes. Next. Yes, student. I am taking question number second. X equal to a cos theta and y equal to b cos theta, and find the dy over dx. Then start the solution. X equal a cos theta. Solution start here. Differentiate with respect to theta. Dx upon d theta equal d over d theta a cos theta, taking here again minus a sin theta. This is value of dx over, and then find the value, and y equal b cos theta. Differentiate with respect to same things here. Third variable here, third variable same. Then the dy over d theta equal here, differentiate here with respect of theta, the b cos theta, answer will be minus b sin theta. And now the dy over d theta dx equal the dy over d theta upon dx over d theta. Putting the value here, minus b sin theta upon minus a sin theta. Minus cancel here, sin theta will cancel, what is left? B upon a. This is your answer, B upon a. Very simple thing here. First equation, derivative this. Second equation, derivative of this, and find the value of dx of d theta. Yes, note down. Yes, then I am taking the next question 7. This question is very important question, and this question came in the many times in the board exam. Then to practice this question, now start the solution. First I am taking the x equal sin cube t upon root cos 2t. So differentiate with respect to t. Here third variable t, then differentiate with respect t. Always you will differentiate in third variable. Always dx over dt, here d over dt sin cube t upon cos 2t, or 2t here also. This is the form upon u upon b. Now look here, differentiation of d over, suppose you are writing u upon b and differentiate here. That means v differential numerator minus u differential denominator and square of denominator. In this form you will write here, means quotient form. This quotient in the numerator denominator form, then using this identity. Now just first I am using numerator here, u equal sin cube t. Then u dash equal to differential of this sin square t, and then sin t again, chain rule. First sin cube t, 3 sin square t, again sin t means cos t, and b equal cos 2t and exponent. The differentiate of this, 1 by 2 cos 2t minus 1 by 2, and again cos 2t here, so minus sin 2t, and again you do with the 2t means 2. First we differentiate here x differentiate d over dx x exponent n, then n x exponent n minus 1. First we are using this. Second cos t means sin minus sin 2t, again here 2t, then you will 2. So now this will be cancelled here. What is left here? Minus sin 2t upon root. This will write some negative integer here, then cos 2t. This is the v dash, value of the v dash. These two values are putting in this equation. These two values. So now dx over dt equal numerator. What is the value in denominator here? Root cos 2t. This value, this b, differentiation of this means ut means 3 sin square t and cos t. Sin square t and cos t here, then using the minus sign here, this minus sign, and u, what value of the your sin cube t, and next differentiation of denominator. The difference of denominator here, minus sin 2t upon root cos 2t, or here this will be square form. Now look here, and simplify it. So this taking the LCM here, so this denominator taking LCM here, this will be cos 2t. This multiply this, and here 3 sin square t cos t minus sin cube t, and here sin 2t means 2 sin t and cos t. Break down it. This minus here plus. This minus multiply here minus. This minus here plus sign, and this will come here, the cos 2t here, square of this, and then this will be root cos 2t. I am taking the LCM in this, so this will go in here, and then after then this square form here, then square will be removed, then only cos 2t. What is left here? dx over dt, here cos 2t. Now break down in sine. Cos 2t here break down in form of the sine. 1 minus 2 sin square t. This cos 2t I am break down here, and here 3 sin square t and cos t, minus plus here, and here 3 sine 4t and cos t, and here cos 2t and root cos 2t. Here denominator will be same here, cos 2t and root cos 2t. This will be same here, but here if you multiply here this, so what will become here? 3 sine square t and cos t. When multiply 3 to the 6, or 6 minus 3, this is 3, sorry, here 2 here, not 3 but 2 here, and here 2 right, 3 1 is 3, or 3 to the 6, 6 minus 2 4, so minus 4 sine 4t and cos t. And multiplying here in this side 6 sine 4t cos t, or here plus positive sine 2 sine 4t cos t. So 6 minus 4, 6 minus 2 will become 4. This is your value dx over dt. Similarly, we will find here this value, then putting the value of dy over dx, and y equal cos qt upon cos 2t. Same process I am taking here and differentiate with respect of the t, any dy over dt. Here d over dt cos qt upon root cos 2t. Now differentiate here, same identity, quotient form, b upon b, root cos 2t, and differentiate of d over dt cos qt minus cos qt and d over dt cos 2t power 1 by 2 and whole upon cos 2t whole square, means root will be removed here. Right, in this form here directly I have solved in this form, this is not matter. You can take help this trick, otherwise you can solve in this trick. This is not matter. You solve any other tricks. Now cos 2t, here we write same here, cos 2t cos 2t here, see. Differentiate of this means 3 cos square t, and cos t means sin t, minus sin t also here. First we have differentiate of cos cube t, means 3 cos square t, then left here cos t. Cos differentiate of cos t, again using the chain rules. Cos t means minus sin t, minus sign I am using here. Similarly here minus cos cube t, and differentiate of this 1 by 2 cos 2t, exponent is minus 1 by 2, and then using cos 2t means sin 2t minus sin 2t, and 2t means 2, and then using here cos 2t. So then this is your differentiate form of this. Next, this sign you can multiply here, this will come plus, and this is the upon form, inverse minus negative inverse here, then upon, then you are taking again LCM here and write this form in denominators. So now you will write here cos 2t minus 3, all cos 2t, and minus 3 cos square t sin t. Here minus minus plus, these two will be cancelled here. Cos cube t and sin 2t, this will be cos 2t cos 2t. This step will be come in denominators here. I am taking the LCM first here, then write the denominators here. Yes, note down it. Further I will give you. Yes. So this step is completed here. Now dy over dt equal this minus sign will become here. So cos 2t converted in cos form here. Here cos converted in cos form. So now 2 cos square t minus 1. This cos 2t. And here right I am writing the same thing here, minus 3 cos square t and sin t. This step plus cos cube t and this sin 2t again break 2 sin t and cos 2t, and denominator will be same here, cos 2t and cos 2t. Then multiply this step. Multiply this step here. Minus 3 to just 6. 3 to just 6 minus 6 cos 4t sin t minus minus plus 3 cos square t sin t and plus here 2 cos 4t sin t. This will also multiply here, and denominator will be same here, cos 2t root cos 2t. Then subtract this from here. So you will write here 3, first write positive form, 3 cos square t sin t. First write and writing first this, then this and this time will be calculate minus 6 plus 2, so minus 4 cos 4t sin t. Our denominator will be same here. This will be not changed. This and this calculate, and this will write here the same, and this denominator will be the same here. It means this form of the dy over dt. Then you find this dx over dt and this dy over dt. Putting the value of here and then find the value of dy over dx. Means dy over dt upon dx over dt. First things, dy over dt 3 cos square t sin t minus 4 cos 4t sin t upon cos 2t and root cos 2t. Then value find, putting here 3 sin square t cos t and minus 4 sin 4t cos t upon cos 2t and cos 2t. This will be cancelled here. Both denominator will be cancelled here. What is left? This part. Now I will write it dy over dx. Dy over dx equal, what is common here? Cos t sin t taking common. Minimum sin t here. So take sin t common and one cos t. Similarly here sin t and cos t. So take sin t and cos t take common. What is left? 3 cos square, 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t, and here left, we are taking common sin t and cos t. What is left here? 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. And this will be cancelled. Sin t will be cancelled sin t, and cos t will be cancelled cos t. What is left here? 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t upon 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. So now you take the common here, minus sign here, then this is 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t upon 3 sin t up minus 4 sin 3t. This will be convert here, minus sign here, this will be cos 3t and this will be sin 3t. This will be converted minus cot 3t. Now look here, this identity will be sin 3 theta, or this identity are the cos 3 theta. The sin 3 theta convert sin 3t or cos 3t, that means cot 3t. So this is your answer, dy over dx. This is your answer. Very simple thing, but calculation very carefully, without any mistakes. The calculation here, this will be cancelled here, or this will be, I am taking here minus sign common here. This converting the cos 3t. The identity of the cos 3t, 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t. The identity of this. Then I am writing the two identity here. Cos 3 theta and sin 3 theta. Means 4 cos 3 theta minus 3 cos theta, and here 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is the identity of both. Using two identity here, then finding the value of this. This question is a very important question. So do practice time to time. Now, note down next question.